would you like to get your hands on over 100 done-for-you websites, sales pages, squeeze pages, basic e-com stores and blogs that you can simply import, edit and use for yourself, or even better, sell to your clients for whatever price you want, keeping all the money, no pay per import, no royalty and no subscription. Sounds amazing, right? Just click a button and your site is live. But wait until you hear this. It gets even better and even bigger and easier. You'll now be able to create over 100 stunning websites without writing a single line of code, without hiring expensive designers, without paying for hosting, without having to buy a domain name. Yes, you heard that right. You can cut out the expenses and the hassles. Just sell these done-for-you websites and pages built to work for any niche you can think of. Hi, I'm Cindy Donovan and I have been a full-time online marketer for over a decade now, with a single aim of making life easier for my customers by providing you with the simplest solutions for the most complicated and headache-giving problems that you face. And this time, I have gone way beyond even my own already pretty high standards, and I have brought to you the whole package literally on a platter. Let me introduce Done For You Hero. It's a cloud-based platform with over 100 done-for-you, battle-tested and proven to convert stunning websites, sales pages, squeeze pages, e-com stores and blogs that you can just activate, edit and use for yourself or sell to clients. Every profit-pulling website you activate is fully hosted by us on high-end DigitalOcean droplets, automatically load balancing and hosted in the cloud, which is just fancy geek talk, meaning your websites will load fast and never face downtime. Market is just starting out are loving DFY Hero because it's so fast and easy to get started, with many making their big first profits ever online by simply selling websites at competitive prices. They take next to no time to build. There's no need to touch a single line of code or pay a dime to designers. Heck, they're not even paying for a domain name or hosting, so every dollar is pure profit. So let me give you a quick look inside DFY Hero. Our easy-to-use website builder cranks out premium websites, sales pages, squeeze pages, and a lot more in minutes. Each page is fully mobile responsive and looks stunning on all screen sizes. Better yet, you can make as many changes to the pages as you like, completely on the fly. They're all fully optimized and designed to bring in crazy conversions with beautiful text, headlines, ad placements, inbuilt niche targeted images, and more. Watch every website and page come to life right in front of your eyes. Edit it and it's live in real time. DFY Hero's inbuilt template library has some of the best looking templates that would easily sell for hundreds of dollars on open platforms. These exclusive and stunning templates are there for you to use for free. Everything is accessible and managed from a simple to use yet incredibly powerful dashboard. DFY Hero is fully cloud-based. You can create, edit, run, manage and even sell pages on the fly without having to download or install anything. Just log in and start profiting from anywhere, anytime. You can check out all the features in detail on this page, along with a short walkthrough video showing DFY in action. But before you do that, let me tell you, now is the time to act. Right now, the price you see below is the lowest price that it will ever be offered for. So I urge you to lock in your account right now. With everything provided to make you money right away and every hurdle removed, like paying coders, designers, buying hosting, domain names, it's a very simple choice for you today. But I want to make it even simpler by including a full 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can try it out. Heck, you can even sell a few sites. But if you're not beyond thrilled with DFY Hero, let us know and we'll give you your money back. So give it a try today. Make this next button you click the first towards a thriving online website building empire. Click the button to get access and I'll meet you in the members area.